everyone, it's Sherry. I hope that you're having a wonderful day. Y'all, it is Super Simple Sunday, and I have a good one. Stay tuned. Welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you decided to stop by and spend a portion of your day with me. And welcome to all of my new subscribers. Thank you guys so much for deciding to make me one of the channels to which you are subscribed. And a big thank you to everyone who has bought me a cup of coffee, is supporting my monthly members group, or you are watching my videos and supporting the channel in a positive way. Thank you so very much. I really do appreciate it. So today, y'all, we are going to pluck again. And this time, we are plucking a toothbrush. And when we're finished plucking this, we are going to turn it into something that will be very useful to you in your craft. And then I'm also going to show you another way that you can get the same effect without plucking a toothbrush as well. So y'all know what time it is. It's time to make it. Okay guys, so here is what the toothbrush is going to look like once we pluck out all of the bristles. And this is not a hard process at all. So I have this 4-pack of toothbrushes that I got from the Dollar Tree. We're going to be using one for this project. So when you buy the 4-pack, you're basically spending a quarter on this part of the project. So let's go ahead and pluck this, and I'll show you exactly what we're going to do once we get it plucked. So this is going to require that you have some type of needle nose pliers work best, or needle nose grips work best. And if you have any type of serious hand dexterity issues, this might not be the project for you. It's not a hard project, but it is going to require that you get in there, grip that bristle, and then pull. And when you pull, you're going to be pulling out that whole section in that one little hole there. We're going to take our needle nose. We go into the bottom of one of the little bristle sections, grip it, and pull. And you can see that it comes out. And you're going to keep doing that until you have them all pulled. Sometimes you can get lucky and grab 2 bristle sets at a time. But for me, I'm just going through and grabbing one, going down to the bottom, and pulling. And you just want to go in and grab a cluster and pull. And you're going to do that until you have them all removed. So just keep going in, grab a cluster, and pull. So that is how we go through and remove the bristles from our toothbrush. I have already done one so that you don't have to watch me pluck the whole thing. Just going through and pulling out each bristle set at the root. And then I have a pack of these, and a lot of you will probably remember these from back in the day. Those pink rollers, I think some of them used to be green. We might even have had some blue and purples out there, but y'all remember these. I know I remember wearing these. We used to get our Easter morning curls from these. So we aren't going to use these to curl our hair. We're going to take this apart, and we're also going to save this because we'll be able to use it on a future project. So what's up with this and this? Well, we are going to take it and we're going to make our own little inexpensive way that we can use our distress inks. Now, some of you have seen me use a Dollar Tree sponge and just a big old binder clip to be able to do it. Before this was gifted to me, that's how I always did it. I have never ever purchased one of these tools. I have always just used my old-fashioned home remedy to get it. And that's what we're going to do here. So if you want to create a tool to be able to age or distress your project, that's what we're about to do. So we're just going to create an alternative way that you can get this look. So I have my scissors. I am actually going to take this and just trim off some of the head because I don't need all of it. And then what I found is that you can take the toothbrush and just squeeze it on the inside, and it's such a snug fit y'all, that this is not coming off. So I've already done one, and I have already been using it on a project. So what I did after I put it on was I went around, and I'm just going to round it a little bit so that it's not so perfect. And just giving me a little roundness to this. Now I'm going to take my Distress ink, and I am just going to ink this up. And I'm just going to give it a good inking because it's the first time that I've used this one. And so now we can take this, and you see I'm getting that same effect. Add a little bit more ink. And then I'll add some here. So if I just want to go in and hit a few spots, I'm able to do that. And so in this pack, we had 8 rollers, and that means that we're spending about 13 cents per roller, plus the 25 cents for the toothbrush. So we're making this for 38 cents, and it is a great little alternative to anyone who might want to get this look, but you don't want to spend the prices for these, especially if you are new to paper crafting and you don't want to spend a whole lot of money just yet on buying all of these tools. Look for other ways that you can make them before you make the investment in buying them, because you might find that doing this technique, distressing, is not something that works for your project. But I like homemade things like this, and you guys who've been with me for a while know that until recently, I never ever used a tool like this because I didn't have them. This was gifted to me, as I've said before. It's not one of those things that I would have bought for myself because I would have found my alternative. All right, so we plucked the toothbrush, and now I'm going to show you another way that you can create a tool like this. We're still going to use that pink roller, but we're going to take it and fold it in half like this. Then I'm going to take one of the Dollar Tree clips, and this clip has a very good grip on it, and I'm just going to put it on like this. And then I'm just going to take my finger and sort of flatten that out. Now with these clips, I believe you get 6 or 8 in a pack, so it's going to cost you anywhere from 13 to 17 cents per clip, plus the 13 cents for the roller. So we're looking at making this for under 32 cents. So we're going to take this and do the same thing. We're just going to ink it. I'm going to bring in another one of my cards so that I can show you that we're able to get that distressed look. You can see it all along the bottom here. This is clean, but I'm just going to come in and add some ink and distress it. So if I wanted to, I could take my ink and just go over that top if I wanted to stain it even more. And for this project, I used the Tim Holtz Distress Ink Walnut Stain Color. And you can see that this was really simple because we are taking a toothbrush, a clip, and a hair roller, and we are putting them together to create these wonderful little alternatives to tools that we might not have, but we want to get this look. So guys, I hope that you have liked this super simple Sunday project. If you have, please hit the like button. If you are not a subscriber to my channel, I would love to have you join this amazing online crafting family. You guys, as always, please be safe, be thankful, be kind, happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.